So on this particular application, what we've got here is a joist sitting on top of the mud sill, and then we've got your rim board, your subfloor, and your bottom plate. Your bottom plate is the portion that gets encapsulated by the SIP panel. If you look over here, you'll see that the SIP panel skins run down on each side of that plate and flush out with the finished floor as well as the outside of the sheathing of the structure. The important thing to remember here is that the skins are in bearing. The skins are what are taking the load, the gravity load, the shear load, all that. And so they need to be in bearing, which is different than stick frame construction where the sheathing runs past and is not in bearing. You'll see that the foundation is running up, and so that at this point the joists actually are hung from the plate line. So you'll see two green plates here, or two treated plates here. The first one is for the joist hangers, top flange hangers to hang the joists, and the second one is to get past the bolts, the J-bolts and all that. And then same scenario, you've got your finished floor and your bottom plate for setting the wall panel. So one of the things they do when they're installing the SIPs is they measure out the vertical chases, and then they mark on the plate line and drill through. This allows the electrician to come up into the vertical chase from, in this particular case, the underfloor or the crawl space area. In some areas, if this was a two-story structure, they would be able to come down through from the floor joist and rim area down into the top plate of the wall structure also. So these are all pre-drilled based on them measuring out the SIP panels and or looking at the shop drawings and determining where these vertical chases go. So they're prepping the panel to install the spline style connection. We looked at the lumber connection prior. Now they're prepping it for the spline style connection.